In this video, I will show you one XP promo code to use in Hindi. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find the video helpful. So if you're looking for one XP promo code to use in Hindi, this is exactly what you have to do. After installing your OneXB account to your phone, you're going to click on registration. And in this registration, you're going to take the third option that says by email address. And once you're here, you're going to fill in your full name, your details, fill your details correctly, and you're going to create a password. Now fill your date of birth, your currency, and where you're from. Once you're done that, you're going to create a password. To create a password, please read through the instructions here to fill in your password. After creating your password, you're going to come to a promo code box and use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, one is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means that any amount you deposit, you're going to receive 300% of that amount. Click on these three boxes and then go ahead and register your account. After registering your account, complete your verification and deposit money to your account to receive your 1xbet bonus.